In this video, we are going to look at the stock market. Is it doing better? Is Tesla doing better? Gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's look at this. Tesla closed at $435.15, up $5.91. This is good for 1.38% up. So is Tesla doing better? Yes. Yes, it is. Not too long ago. Until yesterday, we were into this downward trend right here. The downward trend is over. We have just closed outside of it. So remember yesterday I told you that we were into this symmetrical triangle and we are going to get a decision soon as to whether we are continuing into this bearish channel. This is the bearish channel. We could have continued right here, or it's this bullish channel right here that could have won. So it was either this, we are continuing down, or either this, we are continuing higher. So we are having the decision right here. The decision has been made. So we are outside of this downward trend. We are continuing higher on support. So this is a good news in itself. So now Tesla is no longer going down temporarily within the bullish channel. It is going sideways within the bullish channel. So this is better than going down within the bullish channel. You see this? This is good. We are going to take any gains are going to be taken. So this is the congestion zone we are in. So we are between 420.46 right here and 452.91 right here. And lately we have not even been able to reach above 440.13 right here. So the other sign we are going to see if Tesla starts to go a little bit higher and starts to really resume into this bullish channel completely without going sideways temporarily, is that the first sign. The first sign is that we are going to start to break 440.13. If we don't break it, then we are just going sideways for longer. If we break 440.13, this is going to be a good sign. The ultimate sign is going to be 452.91. Once we break 452.91, we can conclude that Tesla is going to fully resume going higher. And when can this happen? This is the bullish channel support. So it could happen at the most right here, right smack on that bullish channel support. If it happens later, then we are going to break that bullish channel support, and this is going to tell us that Tesla gets weaker. So here at this point right here is the last time. This is the last time we can say that we are still into this bullish channel once we have the break above 440. What is going to happen at that date? Guess what? This is where the earnings call is going to happen. So October 22nd, so a week from now, we are going to get the earnings call. Tesla is going to tell us if they made more money than what was expected. And maybe this is what is going to give us the final push above 440 or above 452. I say above either numbers because coming into an earnings call, what we often see is that Tesla goes higher. It goes higher, and depending on the earning calls, then we should start watching this. I would not be surprised. It's possible that we start breaking that 440.13. If we take a look at the 1 hour charts, the 1 hour chart has stochastic over 60, has our reversal indicator that is bullish. The last candle that we have right here is a nice bullish candle with a long wick at the bottom. Watch for 440.13 tomorrow on the 1 hour chart. Wait for the 1 hour chart candle to be completed. And then that could be a nice entry. Could be a nice early entry for a swing up to 452. And maybe if you want to hold into earnings, maybe you are going to be in at a nice low price just above 440. Take a look at the VIX. VIX is pretty much going sideways, so that's the bad part. So VIX above 20 is not good. So this is not conducive to many stocks going higher. Yes, we can find some. There are some stocks that are going higher, but still a higher VIX above 20 is not too conducive. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones still trending down, no stochastic over 60. It's trying though. Look at this, tried to break, but it closed below. S&P 500 is still going sideways, no stochastic over 60. This one is still stuck below 66.77. It's really trying. It was looking good today. It started to go higher. It opened higher, but then it caved in and tried again and stopped right smack on it. It is very close to breaking that 66.77. We would need this. Tesla going above 440, S&P going above 66.77. Things would all be well. And look at QQQ, the same thing. QQQ, right smack below its horizontal resistance. This one has stochastic over 60. NASDAQ, look at this, the same pattern, exactly the same pattern is everywhere. So maybe tomorrow is going to be the day when the VIX is cooling down, and that would give the push for all of the indices to go higher. Russell, this one is already good. We have talked about this. Let's take a look at gold and silver. Gold continuing higher. We are up 1.74 on physical gold. Spot physical silver continuing higher also. This is really on a tear. So we had a little bit of a pause yesterday, and now it's gapping up higher. Bitcoin, no, Bitcoin is down by $2,000. It's not too bad. We are still in support. So that's the constellation price. We are still in support. The move we had this week did not yield much, no stochastic. So we are still at the same point. Ethereum, the same thing, no stochastic. Still on a higher support for Ethereum. So this is looking a little bit better. And the EBNR is doing better than the actual Ethereum. This one has its own life because the fund is continuing to purchase Ethereum. So even though Ethereum is not increasing, the fact that the fund is accumulating it, so one share of BMNR every single day almost gets you more Ethereum with the same share. This one is going to start to look interesting when we start breaking 55.78 right here. Yeah, Tesla is starting to show some signs. So of course, if you want to risk a little bit more, you can get in right now. You put a stop loss below 420.46. So, that's not a stop loss that's too far. And then you can wait for the week. And then you can maybe catch the wave running up to the earnings. Then if you want to hold overnight with the earnings, then this is your prerogative. But at least we could be having a little bit of a move up this week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.